Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking.
In a heavy bottom tall pan, take 200 gram jaggery powder. Add 72 ml water. Put it on a low-medium flame and cook while stirring continuously. Use a tall pan as this mixture will bubble a lot and might overflow. As it is difficult to judge when this caramel is ready by color, watch the size of the bubbles. When you start, large bubble will form rapidly as you can see here. Keep stirring the caramel continuously as it might burn otherwise. During the end, the size of the bubbles will be smaller as well as they will be slower to rise. Once that happens, your caramel has formed. This whole process might take 10 to 12 minutes. Now add 152 gram cream and mix. Add the cream in 2 to 3 parts and mix well. Now cook the caramel for 2 to 4 minutes on low flame. Take it off heat. Add 52 grams of butter. Add a pinch of salt if using unsalted butter. Mix it well. The butter will melt from the caramel heat. Pour it in an airtight jar and let it cool completely in room temperature. Then refrigerate for an hour or two before using.
Please like the video. Also subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe.
Our jaggery caramel is ready. Use it like a sugar caramel. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.